Yo, 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 welcome back to the channel where we stack chips daily. I am your humble host, and I just want to get straight into it, man. We are in the last week of February, so we honestly have a lot going on, a lot to talk about, but this video is going to be brief. As you can see, not in my normal space today. I am traveling, but I still want to add some value to you guys trading. I'm making this video. So we're gonna jump right into it, man. Y'all know where I like to start. I like to start with data. What data do we have coming out this week when it comes to the market? And Tuesday, tomorrow, we got consumer confidence. We got Fed Vice Chair speaking. Just some speakers, honestly. Not a lot of solid numbers coming out tomorrow that really move the market. Wednesday, we have new home sales, Atlanta Fed. Thursday, heating up, initial jobless claims. We talked about jobs on previous videos and how important those numbers are on a weekly basis when it comes to the Fed and monetary policy. So I'll be on the lookout for that. We have some pending home sales, which the Fed has been tracking recently. Like, how's the housing market doing? The president is interested in the housing market and lowering interest rates. So, with this being like on one of the final days of the month, I think a lot of eyes will be on Thursday, and then Friday, probably the most jam-packed day with the PCE, personal consumer expenditures. I think that's what it stands for. Don't quote me on that. But these are the numbers that are going to move the market on Friday, right? Whether they come in good or whether they come in bad, we going to see. So, in my opinion, tomorrow's going to be choppy. We're not going to see a lot of range, a lot of volatility. You never know. But in my opinion, it's going to wait till Wednesday. Cool. So, Wednesday, big earnings after market close right here. NVIDIA. Been moving the market for a while now. We're going to jump to the chart after this video, but one of the biggest companies in the world, if not the biggest right now with AI. They make chips for GPUs. They make the GPUs pretty much that power large language models that make the AI. So everybody want to know is how they're doing last quarter, the previous quarter. So I feel like Tuesday might be a wash, and then the market will wait for those earnings on Wednesday before we see a volatile move. And then, of course, Friday, as I just mentioned, PCE. I think the market will definitely have a move on Friday as well to close out February. So it's a jam-packed week, man. Excited time to be trading right now and just wait. You know what I mean? Be reactive. Don't go in trying to time the market, trying to predict the market, because you will get burned. Take your time, react. You can still make money, right? You don't got to be ahead of the game. You just need to be in the game when it starts, right? So on the right side too. So I do want to jump right into charts. As I said, it's going to be a brief video. I'm not watching a ton of stuff right now. Kind of waiting for this week to play out. Like I said, I'm traveling, but I do plan to do some trading tomorrow. We jumped on the live today, this morning on the Discord, and we did some trading, and we bought some puts earlier because we didn't reclaim the 604 level. Pre-market, we looked like we were going to reclaim this level, and then we didn't. We straight up dropped. Uh, it dropped to 596 early, and we secured profits, and it ran back up to like 601 throughout the day, and then right back down to 597 close out the day. This is the day chart right here. As you can see, We got over that range that we mentioned last week, that 610, but it couldn't hold. So we came back down, and at that 608 level, that pivot that I mentioned, we ran down to 604, as I mentioned, and now I think this 590 level is in play. I'm not sure if it'll come tomorrow, Wednesday, uh, if it doesn't come, right? If we shoot back up, but I think 590 is in play, and that's what we played today, 590 puts. Ran up 100%. I can't really remember, but we made some good money on that. Gonna jump over to the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we're in this kind of no man's land in between both of these levels that I have here. So as you can see, like when we got around this 590 level, a lot of buyers stepped in early February on the 3rd to run it back up, right? So at that level, there is a lot of buyers. Below that level, there's some more chop, right? So if we do see 590, I do think 585 is in play, which could be Wednesday into Friday, right? Or we could go here Wednesday, back up Friday. You never know. Like, I try to react to the market. I don't try and predict what's going on. I just play my levels, and if we cross on a 4-hour close, I know that's the direction we're going, right? Uh, that is my rule. That's my principle. I'm sticking to it. It's been making me some good money, and I'm sharing that with y'all to hopefully help it make y'all some money. So this is SPY. This is what I'm looking for going into the rest of the week. When it comes to NVIDIA, right? You're not going to see a lot of lines on NVIDIA's chart. I don't trade this often, but I am going to zoom out because I want to see like a bigger picture. So we're going to go to the week chart. So on the weekly, I'm going to kind of take y'all through how I be drawing some lines on here. I want to zoom out some more. It looks a little better. All right, on a monthly, right? It's 113 level, right? That's like 138, 139. Right. It's been kind of consolidating in that box right there since June of 2024. So that's about a 25-point box right there. 113 being the low, 138. Now, I may go over or below that, but that's kind of what I'm looking at here. Jump to the day chart. As you can see on the day chart, man, earnings coming up Wednesday. I'm really unsure of where this is going. I am not playing this stock at all. But I know it's going to move the market, right? So I'm super interested in knowing how they're doing as a company, if they have anything new coming out that they'll talk about on their earnings call. But this chart, I really can't call it which way it's going. I know AI is here to stay. It's improving productivity, doing a lot of things for the economy globally. So, and we'll see, right? This is one that you should have your eyes on. And like just judging from this, we're back in this 138 range under here. Like 113 could be in play. You know what I'm saying? If we get high over this 138 mark, I will look to play calls. Like if I was trading this, right? Since we're under this, kind of in this no man's land, not looking to play anything, honestly. But with earnings, I don't play earnings. So just a word of advice. And that's kind of all I'm looking at going in tomorrow. Like I said, busy traveling. We'll be watching SPY. But let me know if y'all got any questions. Y'all want to see any charts on my end. I'm happy to share with you guys. And make sure y'all join the Discord, man. We go live a couple of days a week. We make money in there. We post our gains. We show love to each other. Tap in with us. And I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace.